Good morning, dear student. As you have seen that in our first session of this lesson, a stranger walks into town. We understood about the characters. We understood about the writer, and little bit we also know about the title or the theme of this lesson. A stranger walks into town. Now and after this we read also approx 2.5 pages, and after reading that one we come to know all the significant points about the stranger, and we have seen that how the stranger he got the reception when he reached to the town. The question comes here, town. So can you please tell me the name of the town? A stranger walks from some place to a town only. So can you please tell me the name of the town? Because D is written after this blank only. So that blank filled with what? D for Digny. D for what? Digny. The name of the town is what? Digny. He is talking, the narrator is talking about a town. The name of the town is what? Digny. Understand that? And this entire event that took place where? In French. Understand that? And you have seen that in that story you will get different word. That word from foreign language. So you are able to familiar with that words also. Read it carefully. Okay, as much as time you are getting, read it and try to solve it. Now, you have seen that what happened at the beginning when stranger, name of the stranger, think and tell me. Name of the stranger, already I have given two characters here. So the name of the stranger is Jean Valjean. Name of the stranger is Jean Valjean. Understand that? So after 19 years, he has got the imprisonment. Already I told you in my first session, he has got imprisonment because he performed something. He did something. And what he has done? He has done one activity only, that he has stolen a slice of bread only from the shop to hand over his daughter only, because his daughter was hungry. This happened, and because of that he has got imprisonment of 19 years. This fact exactly it is not given. When you will read this story, it is not given. But when you will read the entire novel, you will get this story is also behind that. So now when he came outside from the prison only, so he felt that I am free. I am free means he was feeling like that what is the real meaning of liberty in our life only. Understand that after 19 years when he came outside, so he felt like that, and he was very hungry, so he was walking. Okay, he was walking through the road only, and in first page you have seen that of this lesson that he was walking. So when the people of the town they saw him, so they were confused, and they cannot interact directly to ask anything, to interact only, that from where he is coming, who is the person. They are knowing the person is what? Is stranger, because no one having a dare to go and to discuss, and they were not also watching that he is discussing to someone. It means that he was single one only, and he is coming from far away, and they were thinking, they were only talking about that maybe he can be from there, he can be from that place, he can be from that place. Means they are having different feeling or emotion towards him. And why they were too much suspicious towards that stranger? Because of one thing only. Something will be there, that is why anyone, they will be suspicious. The reason was that from early morning to till now, he was walking only. And when you or anyone will walk, so automatically they will be tired. So he was completely tired. Because of that, his entire physical appearance, that was quite different. That only create a scene of uneasiness among all the people of the town. Understand that? So this happened there. So when he was coming there, he felt what? That he was too much hungry. He need what? Shelter, he need food only. So what he has done? He went to the inn only. He went to the place only where he can get fooding and lodging home. So he discussed to the innkeeper only that I need what? Fooding and lodging. Without seeing the innkeeper, he told, no problem, if you are having money, I can give you all the facilities. He was ready to give the facility. At the beginning, he was ready, but after some time, when he saw the man, the stranger only, he was also in dilemma. He was also in confusion that I did a right job or not, because somehow he has written something on piece of paper and sent it to town hall, and when the paper came, so something was written there, and because of that he was suspicious. And after this, the scene happened like that. All the person in that area, all the person they said there, they also commented. They also gave a number of statement that he is culprit sitting next to us. So what happened? Silently and slowly, the host only, the innkeeper only, he told something in the ears of Jinbelji, this stranger only. And after listening that, the stranger come to know very well that he is knowing my identity. So there is no use to stay here. Now I have to go away from this place. So you have seen that after this he went away. So till now you have seen this thing, a remarkable one. He has got imprisonment of 19 years. Because of what? Because of stealing only a slice of bread. And that is for whom? For a hungry daughter. So do you think, is it right for such a task someone receive imprisonment of 19 years? If I am slapping someone, so that must be in the category of imprisonment. Or kidnapping is going on, murder is going on. Which kind of activity is going on? That activity tells only. The criteria of that activity, that task only, till that the person is criminal, the person has to receive imprisonment of this much of a year. So here the main point is what? The main point is that we have to discuss, we have to think about that. For which task we have to give imprisonment and for which task there is no use to give any kind of imprisonment. The person can go for probation. The person can go, a counseling must be there. Employment must be generated. Any other task, any other thing we can do. But I don't think that there must be imprisonment of 19 years for this. So you think about that, and in future when you are getting chance, when such a circumstances is happening with you only, with you means you are watching around you only, so you take right decision or suggest someone to take right decision. So this is till here, the first session we have completed till here, and now the second session, okay, we'll start again with the slide. We'll see the remaining point and we'll try to understand what happened to Janeway. How means he suffered, which kind of difficulty he got in his life. Okay, these all things we'll see in the slide. Just come to the point. Come. So, dear student, we shall begin today's class with the help of this slide, the remaining part which will cover today only. And while first session we have completed this page, means page number 41, thereafter we have completed page number 42 also, and we move towards page number 43. From here we have to start page number 43. So once again I repeat to each and every one, please open page number 43. Yes, so you see each and every one, I told you that we'll start from here. The child returned, because already we have finished till see. So we'll start from here. The traveler saw nothing of all this. Once more he inquired, "Will dinner be ready soon?" Immediately responded the host. Till here we have completed. So from here we have to start. Once again it means what happened. Once again he asked only this question, that will dinner be ready soon or not? He asked the question. Okay, after this what happened? Immediately, at once responded the host. The host responded at once, means he replied at once. What he replied? See, the child returned. He brought back the paper. The host unfolded it eagerly, like a person who is expecting a reply. So what happened? At once, meanwhile that when he asked the question about the food only, meanwhile that the children also came, means the child came, and he has given the paper and he unfolded the paper, and you will see eagerly. The word eagerly is expressing that how excited he was to know about that stranger only, and he was expecting that I'll get some information that I am hoping or I am seeming for that. Thereafter, the next line, he seemed to read it attentively, then tossed his head and remained thoughtful for a moment. He seemed to read attentively, means after getting that piece of paper, he read it attentively and then toss his head. Toss his head doesn't mean that he is tossing his head, but he rose his head up and remained thoughtful for a moment. And for a moment, for maybe 10 seconds or 20 seconds, he was serious and thinking about the thing that was written there. Then he took a step in the direction of the traveler. Thereafter, he took some steps towards where? Towards the traveler only, that is stranger, who appeared to be immersed in reflection which were not very serene. And when he went there, he reached towards the traveler, and the traveler was engrossed, means immersed means completely he was submerged, means he was busy in something common. "I cannot receive you, sir," said he. He said, "I cannot receive you," means I am not getting you. The man half rose, means he rose half, he stood half only. "What? Are you afraid that I'll not pay you?" He asked the question. A stranger asked the question that, "Are you afraid that I'll not pay you, I'll not give you money?" Thereafter, "Do you want me to pay in advance?" He is asking. The stranger is asking that, "Do you want that I pay you the money in advance? I have money. I tell you, I already told you that I am having money. If you desire, if you need, then I can give you. No issue in that. It is not that. He is saying it is not that. No. What then? Then he is asking, then what's the problem? What happened? You have money. Yes, said the man. And I, said the host, have no room. But the host means the owner of that inn and the manager, you can say. He is only replying, he is telling that we are having no room. Yes, I don't have any room. The man resumed tranquilly. With a peace he resumed, put me in the stable. Thereafter he told, because already he told, if you are having money, then I can give you lodging and food. Already this discussion happened. But now he is getting here that no room. So why he is saying like that? No room. He was amazed to listen this. Put me in this stable. He told that no problem. If you are not having room, put me in this stable where horse stay. You keep me there. I cannot. Then he is asking why? The horse take up all the space. Then the host replied, because horse, they took all the space. That is why I cannot allot you that. Very well, retorted that man. Retorted means reply. The man replied, a corner of the loft means no problem. If that stable is not empty, no place is there. So loft means what? Room only. So in a room, if any corner, that place is there, so you can give that one. So he replied, a truss of straw. We will see about that after dinner. So he told, no problem. If you are talking, if you are telling like that, so we'll see after the dinner. I cannot give you any dinner. Thereafter he said only, means he was thinking, he was talking about that after dinner we'll see. But he told that I cannot give you any dinner. Now it is not about only shelter. He is not ready to give the dinner too. Now the next page number 44 we have to come and see. From here we have to start. I cannot give you any dinner. Means I will not provide you, I will not give you any dinner. This declaration made in a measure but firm tone struck the stranger as grave. The stranger, when he listened, when he heard this thing, after listening this thing, the tone of this was very serious and determined. This was a declaration by the host only. He rose, but I am dying of hunger. He told that I am dying of hunger. I have been walking since sunrise, and from early morning I am walking. I have travelled 12 leagues. I wish to eat. And you know very well that I am totally hungry. And I pay you, so this is my right that I wish to eat. I have nothing, said the landlord. The man burst out laughing. Thereafter the man, the stranger was there. He was laughing a lot and turns toward the fireplace and the stove. Thereafter he was turning or indicating what? Indicating the stoves, the fireplace, nothing, and all that he's talking about that. These all are what? You are watching here on a stove, you kept something. These all are what? Then the host replied, all that is engaged. Already this all is engaged. He asked, by whom? By Mrs. By Mrs. means the French people only. They already took, the wagoners, the driver, they already took. How many are there of them? So he told 12. There is enough food for 20. And now as I realize, as I feel that this is enough for 20 people. So why you are telling like that? They have engaged the whole of it and paid for it in advance. Thereafter he replied. He means who? The host replied, already they have given the money in advance and they engaged this all the food. So I cannot give to you. The man seated himself again and said, without raising his voice, I am at inn, I am hungry, and I shall remain. He told only this thing that you know very well. I am in inn, and this is a place where I can get food and lodging also to stay. And I am ready to pay the money also. And you are talking like that, So this is not good. Without raising his voice in a calm way, for managing the situation only. He explained, he told this thing. But what happened?
Then the host went down to his ear and said in a tone which made him start go away. Thereafter host he went down and he told something. He told something in his ears that make him thereafter go away. It happened. He told and thereafter it said go away. At the moment the traveler was bending forward and thrusting some branch into the fire with the iron shod tip of his shaft, he turned quickly round, and as he opened his mouth to reply, the host gazed steadily at him and added, still in a low voice. So what happened till here you see, the man, he stood from there, he took his stick and moved forward. And he wanted to say something, he wanted to reply something. Whatever he told, he wanted to say something against of that. But at once, the host, owner or the manager, he gazed only and he added there in a low voice, stop. There is enough of that sort of talk. Means I talk a lot. Now you listen. You be careful and listen. Do you want me to tell your name? He is telling that you want that may I tell you the name of yours only. Your name is Jean Valjean. Your name is what? Jean Valjean. Now do you want me to tell you who are you? This also you want that I tell about yourself, that who are you, from which background you are. When I saw you come in, I suspected something. I sent to the town hall and this was the reply that was sent to me. Can you read? And thereafter I moved here. I went towards the town hall and this was the reply that is given to me, that is gave to me only. So saying, he held out to the stranger, fully unfolded the paper which had just travelled from the inn to the town hall and from the town hall to inn. So what happened? He wanted to explain, he wanted to tell only whatever I have written, that went to town hall, from town hall again it came, again it is going to town hall. So do you want I do something, I take any action? Okay, he is explaining, he is telling only this all the thing. And after this, what happened? You see, the man cast a glance upon it. Thereafter the man, okay, the stranger, he looked that only, that piece of paper. The landlord resumed after a pause. And landlord, the manager only, he took a pause, he saw. Thereafter, I am in the habit of being polite to everyone, go away. And he explained that my habit is what? Being polite to each and everyone. And I want to be polite. So please go away from here. The man dropped his head, picked up the knapsack which he had deposited on the ground and took his departure. After taking his bag, he moved away from that place. He chose the principal street, and thereafter he took what? Principal street. He walked straight on the venture, keeping close to the houses like a sad and humiliated man. Okay, thereafter means with a risk he took that road. He was going, number of houses were there, people they saw, okay, him. He did not turn round a single time. Had he done so, he would have seen the host of the Cross of Collapse standing on his threshold, surrounded by all guests of his inn and all passers-by in the street. He saw also that the owner of the Cross of Collapse, he was standing with his all the guests and pointing towards me, telling something that was expressing that he is talking about me only. So what happened after this? Talking vivaciously and pointing him out with his finger, and from the glances of terror and distrust cast by the group and each and every one, okay, they were watching towards me, they were thinking about me, okay, he is pointing and telling about me whatever I did. I was feeling like that they were discussing, they were doing like this. He might have divined that his arrival would speedily become an event for a whole town, and only because of this is the matter for entire time. This each and everyone, they know about this stuff, they know about this event, After this, means it's a matter of entire town happened there. Now next page, and this is the last page only that we have to see. See what is given here. As he went out, some children who had followed him from the cross of collapse and who seemed to be laying in wait for him threw stones at him. It means that before that, when he was coming toward that place only, so the children, they were gazing, they were moving around him. So now this time they were taking the stone, small stone, and throwing on him only. He retraced his steps in anger and threatened them with his stick. The children dispersed like a flock of birds. Thereafter, when it happened, it repeated. So he gave them a threat only with the help of his stick. And thereafter, after getting this, all the children, they were dispersed just like a flock of birds. He passed before the prison. At the door hung an iron chain attached to a bell. He rang. Thereafter, he passed before a prison. Before a prison, he passed there, and at the door there was a bell. He rang there. The wicket opened. Means that is small. Wicket means what? That is small door only. It opened. Turnkey said he, removing his cap politely, "Will you have the kindness to admit me and give me a lodging for the night?" With a polite voice, he explained, he told only that, "Can you please give me a shelter for today only?" A voice replied, "The prison is not an inn. Get yourself arrested and you will be admitted." He told only, it's a prison. Okay, it's a center where prisoner comes. It is a not place. If you will be prisoner, so you are allowed to come. Okay, then you can get admit here. The wicket closed the door. Thereafter, the person, he closed that door. He entered a little street in which there were many gardens. Some of them are enclosed only by hedges, which lends a cheerful aspect to the street. Thereafter, he moves where? Toward the garden only. Some of them enclosed, and that garden means that place was enclosed with hedges only, which leads to a cheerful aspect to the street, and that is leading to a cheerful street where everything was looking nice. In the midst of these gardens, a hedges, he caught sight of a small house of a single story. He saw a house, the house of a single story. Okay, he saw there, the window of which was lighted up. He peered through the pane as he had done at public house. Okay, and he watched through that window only. Okay, within was a large whitewashed room. He saw that a large house was there. Okay, and it was completely whitewashed with a bed draped in printed cotton stuff, and a printed cotton bed was also there. Okay, and the cradle. In one corner, a few wooden chairs. One corner, a cradle was there. A few chairs were also, wooden chairs were there. And a double barrel gun hanging on the wall. He can also see a double barrel gun that was hanging on the wall. These all things, means the appearance of that small house he saw, or he observed that one. A table was spread in the center of the room. He saw also a table was also there. It was spread in the center of the room. A copper lamp illuminated the tablecloth, of course, a white linen, a pewter jug. And a jug was there, a special kind of jug, it was known as pewter jug. This jug was there. A tablecloth was also covered there. Jug shining like a silver and filled with wine and the brown smoking soup tureen. Means he got there that was filled with what? That jug was filled with the wine. Okay, and brown smoking soup tureen, and a smoking soup, and a soup was also there, a dish was also there. At this table sat a man of about 40 with a merry and open countenance. And thereafter he saw that a man was also sitting next to that. And after seeing the facial expression of that man, he understood the age of man is approx 40. who was dandling, means playing with the kids only, a little child on his knees, close by a very young woman, was nursing another child, and the another woman, she was nursing another child. The father was laughing and the child was laughing, the mother was smiling, each and everyone, the entire happy family was there, and they were very happy, okay, laughing, playing to each other. The stranger paused a moment in reverie. For a moment only, he was scared, he was afraid before this stranger, and calming spectacle, and watching through the spectacle only what was taking place within him. He alone could have told. It is probable that he thought that this joyous house would be hospitable, and that in a place where we hold so much happiness, he would find perhaps a little pity. Thereafter, after seeing this all the condition, this all the situation, he guessed only maybe that this family can show me a pity, can show me mercy, and I can get something. Okay, the happiness, with the help of the happiness only, he understood that maybe I can get this all. Now he tapped on the pen with a very small and feeble knock, and with very feeble, means very weak knock he put there. He tapped the pen, and thereafter what happened? See, this is the story, okay? And now at the last, what is given? Till here I don't think that you understand any point. Till here, whatever the data you are getting here, whatever the information you are getting here, that is not enough. See, one more thing is given here. The stranger was none other than Jean Valjean, who is the protagonist or a main character of the novel. Protagonist means the main character of the novel. The novel is about a 19-year-long struggle to lead a normal life after serving a prison sentence for stealing bread to feed his sisters, children during a time of economic depression, and various attempts to escape from prison. Now, are you watching? Are you seeing this thing? That why he got imprisonment, and because of what he got imprisonment. At starting, when you will see few 8 facts were there, that fact only reflect for that purpose we have to give imprisonment or not. So here, when you will read this entire story, so you will understand imprisonment must be for which kind of crime. It is given here that his sister was hungry, and he still a bread for giving her only. And this happened while economic depression, means his family was not economically well. That is why he did this, and because of that the authority, they sent him to jail, and several times he escaped from the jail, attempt to escape from the jail. And see how the society, how the people, they took this. So here the main point is that if someone is doing any crime, so crime is eligible to give imprisonment or not. This is the point that we have to think. As your age will increase, you will see what are the activities in your day-to-day life. That is really a good one. For that, they have to give imprisonment or not. We'll see this all the things. So this was the entire lesson that is written by Victor Hugo. Okay, and we have completed this. All the word meaning that is given here, please you learn this all the point. Okay, and after finishing this one, you will get question, answer and extract. Please note down from our, first of all you download and note down from that PDF for word file, and later we have to do an exercise of present tense, past tense and future, that I'll tell you, and together this exercise and the last chapter, a jellyfish, together we'll do. A jellyfish is a poem of 10 to 8 line, but this line is having only a symbolic meaning that you have to understand, that you have to see only. So that we'll do in our next session. Thank you so much for listening this.